Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are making my favorite recipe for chocolate chip cookies. I have this recipe from a friend of mine named Britnae Sanelli, who I've also made a cake for up here, and she's also an amazing photographer, so see her links below, Britnae Sanelli Photography. And she was generous enough to share her favorite recipe for chocolate chip cookies with me, because besides being an amazing photographer, she also makes some fantastic cookies. So I'm excited to share them with you today, and let's get started.
First, the ingredients: 1 cup or 250 grams of butter, 1 cup or 200 grams brown sugar. Please note that this must be American brown sugar for the correct consistency. See the link if you don't know what that is. 3/4 cup or 150 grams of white sugar, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract or 3 tablespoons vanilla sugar, 3 cups or 375 grams all-purpose flour, 3/4 teaspoon baking soda, half a teaspoon salt, 3 cups or around 500 grams semi-sweet chocolate chips or chopped dark chocolate bars. If you're using chocolate bars, they will be more like chocolate chunk cookies, but they will still taste fantastic. First, cream your butter. Then add both sugars and the eggs one at a time. It should look like this. Next, add the vanilla. I'm using vanilla sugar, and the flour, baking soda, and salt, and mix together. Dough will be thick. Finally, add your chocolate chips or chocolate chunks. You can mix with a mixer or fold by hand. And look how gorgeous that is. Then I drop them by the teaspoon on a parchment-lined baking tray. At this small size, this makes around 6 dozen cookies. At tablespoon size, more like 4 dozen. Bake 8 to 12 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Here's what they look like after 10 minutes. Golden and gorgeous and chocolatey. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today and that it helps to make the perfect chocolate chip cookies every time. You can also replace the eggs with 4 tablespoons cream if you're planning on only eating the dough. Visit our website, AmericanBakerInGermany.com, for more recipes and tutorials. Subscribe for more. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos.